Hey guys, welcome back to Granny. We're doing Nightmare. This is Nightmare about Brittany. Whoa, Granny's house looks different. Ooh, she even left me a book. Yo, Granny's goated. I got shotgun hard. You'll never find me in here. Granny, you'll never find me in here. Wow. Well, I don't know. But, okay. Granny is not that smart. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I don't need this. How do I get on the toilet? Wait, Granny. Wait, I'm trying to go to the bathroom. How come Granny can't just let me have privacy for one time in my life? You know what? Oh, dang, I thought. Oh, never. Alright, you know, I'm gonna break Granny's face. Yeah, I'm gonna break her face. Ugh. Is that indestructible or something? You'll never find me.
Want to play hide and seek?
Heck. Okay, what are you doing? Hey there, Granny. Ouch. Day 5? Oh, day 4. Okay, I think ouch. Ouch, ooh, ouch. I'm doing 3, Granny. 1? What that mean? What in Michael? Wrench, my favorite. I just need to play this on. Granny, you have a plate? Something at least. What? I'm gonna share it with the crow. I think the crow would like it. think Mr. Crow would like try this wrench. Birdie. Do you like wrench? Are you sure you don't like wrench, Mr. Birdie? Try it. Don't be afraid to lose things. I wanna try that. So you like pliers, but you don't like wrench. Probably really yummy to you, huh? That you won't even try a wrench. Oh, you tried it, okay. Good birdie. Good birdie. Just put it all the way in your cage. Yeah, at least the birdie tried a bit of it. I think he kind of liked it. I think. On blast day, I still need to get that bird to try that wrench. Mr. Birdie. I think he kind of liked it. I think Mr. Birdie likes the wrench. Now, eat more the wrench. Good birdie. Granny, are you proud of me? I fed your bird a wrench. Are you proud of me? Granny. You're gonna give me a new toy, aren't you? Yeah. Let's see what the new toy is. Granny. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, Granny. I know you're there, you did it to me once. You're doing it to me again. Curse you, Granny. I will get my revenge. Game over. Alright. I think it was a pretty good run. Right. Bye-bye.